Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing some SecureGrip rear grab handles in our GMC Savana. Let's get started. All right, these rear grab handles are from Legendfleet Solutions. They are in this high visibility yellow. You can kind of see I've got my high visibility yellow step here, or sill here as well. And these go in the back of the van, basically right here. They're sold as a pair, so we're gonna have one here for the driver's side and one over there for the passenger side. Driver's side and passenger side installation are exactly the same, it's just mirrored, so we're only gonna show you here on the driver's side. Now there's no like factory holes for this. You can see we just have these little elongated holes here, and they do match up. You do have a match right here and here. So you could technically just expand these holes out a little bit, put your plus nuts in there and do it down here, but that's a really low grab point. And so I'm gonna go actually up here. I'm going to use this factory hole right here, and I'm gonna drill my own hole down here. This is a nice height to give you some leverage for getting in and out of the vehicle. I'm gonna go with those two locations. Now, included in the kit are your plus nuts, which are little riv nuts, plus nuts, blind fasteners. Essentially, you drill a hole in the van, and then you'll expand this. It'll form a crimp on the sheet metal right here, and then it gives you a mounting location for your bolt. Your bolt goes through that hole, obviously. So what we need to do is mark where we're going to put our holes. We're going to make this hole a little bit bigger to accommodate this plus nut, and then we're going to put in a new hole down below. So we just want to figure out where that is going to go. And for this, I just have a steel grease pen in white. I want my hole to be centered on the door frame right there. So next I'm going to expand this hole up top a little bit, and then I'm going to drill a new hole down here where I marked it. Whenever you drill into a van, you want to make sure you have a drill stop. It's going to keep you, or keep the drill really, from sucking itself super deep into the van. So this is going to stop the drill, only going to get through the sheet metal and prevent any damage, and of course safety equipment as well. I'm actually gonna go a little bit different route on this hole. I'm gonna use a step drill. I need to go to 1/2 inch. Next, we're gonna take our plus nut tool, thread our plus nut on here. This is a M8 threading, I believe. All right, bolting pattern here. We have the bolt, lock washer, washer. Throw our holes here into the plus nut. All right, nice and sturdy here. This will help us get in and out of this van with ease. Now you're gonna repeat the same exact process over on the passenger side. Again, we chose this hole, and right here, if you find a better location, feel free to do that as well, because you're gonna have to drill a hole regardless and set your plus nut regardless. Now, if you're looking for these rear grab handles or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.